everyone, this is Kimberly. Nice to meet you all. Today I'm gonna show you the regular bob style with the bang. This is a regular wig, and this is how it looks. The length like the 7 to 8 inch. It has same length. And the color is like a caramel color and a little streaks highlights. And the light bang right here. So you can just drop it naturally. So classic, but so cute. Okay, let's take a look at in details. There is the center of the wig. This is the top. It doesn't look like fake. And this color looks like this. The tone is very light and little highlights. And the texture is very soft and lightweight. And this is made of synthetic fiber, but high quality. So it looks very the human hair. And it has just regular cap, the open breathable cap. It's very stretchable. And adjustable band right here. So you can adjust as you want. Look at this. So this is perfect for everyday wear and all day long. And it's a low maintenance. Just wear it and take it off, or wear it and take it off. Every day. Just wear it like this. Although this is synthetic fiber, you can apply heat on it up to like 350 Fahrenheit. So you can make the style as you want. The flip out style, flip in style, or straight. This is the same style of my hair, so I like this. I just wanted to show my hairstyle, but next time. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.